In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Windows font. Go to Start and open Notepad. Copy the text from the description and paste it here. Paste it in Notepad. Open Settings. Go to Font Settings. Open Font Settings. Choose the font that you like. And note down its name. Choose a font that you like from the Windows font settings and note down its name. You can choose any font. I'm going to go with Gabriola. Note down this name, Gabriola. So go back, open Notepad, enter place where they have written enter new font name. Replace it with Gabriola like I'm doing. So enter Gabriola. Then click on File, Save As. Choose the location you want to save. I'm going to save it on desktop. Then enter the file name Gabriola.reg. Add reg after the file name. Then save. Go back to where you have saved the file. Open the file. Open the registry file. Open it, then restart your PC.